morning everybody. It is the 8th or the 9th today? I think it's the 9th. I could be wrong. If I am wrong, I'll put it down here. And it's freezing in my village today. Village of Kessingland. According to the computer it's 2 degrees, but I think with the wind it's colder than that. And there is talk of snow. However, beautiful blue clear skies. So we don't have to get a chance to see everything in nice weather this time of year. Don't forget our sale is on. So I've got 8 bikes that need washing, so I'm going to put a sign up in the window and get them washed. I'm going to we've had another turbo trainer come in, by the way. This one's an elite one. If anyone's looking for one, they're amazing. The other thing that I need to talk about is the fact that I'm going away this weekend. So we're only open this week Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, because I'm away Friday, Saturday. And then we'll be back on Tuesday. So there won't be as many videos this week, I'm afraid. But don't forget, you can always subscribe so you never miss one. Right, I'm going to get on. I'm going to have a cup of coffee, get the heating on because it's freezing, and then get some work done. That's my plan. Right then, let's get into this. So this is where I pressure wash. And I've just pressure washed these. My hands are red raw from doing it because it's so bitterly cold out here. The difference between being in here, the difference between being here in the winter and being here in the summer, well, you can't breathe here in the summer, it's so warm. And then in the winter, you are literally frozen through. It's not funny at all. It's about, with the wind chill, I reckon it's -1, -2 out there, and my hands have got wet, and they are cold. I am cold. So I'm going to sit by the radiator and have a coffee for a bit before I crack on with the next job of the day, which are 2 folding bikes to build. But before I do that, I'm going to list a bike. So I'm going to get on with that and try and get some warmth into my body. Right, let's get into it. Okay, so I've just built these 2 matching city stow-a-bikes. Pair of little folding bikes, be perfect for someone on a boat or with a caravan. Fold up nice and small, and they're in really good condition as well. They didn't need much of a service. In fact, I don't think they've been ridden much, if I'm honest. I think they've been bought and had massive buyer remorse. Thought they were going to use them to keep fit, get about, and actually they've just sat in the shed. I think that's what's happened. But yeah, they're in lovely conditions. They're going to make someone very happy. Right, on that note, I'm going to go and get some lunch, and then I'll be back this afternoon to get on with some bits and pieces. I'm back from lunch, and I'm going to concentrate on getting the bikes that have been washed, get them photographed, ready to go on the website. So If you haven't been on our website, it's well worth a visit, www.cyclerecycleuk.com. You can see all our bikes for sale on there and their prices and their descriptions. You can search for bikes based on size, frame size, wheel size, colour, tons of other different variables. You can book your service and repairs on there. You can even sell your unwanted bikes on there. So I'm going to get on and get these bikes photographed. Okay guys, so that's me done for today. I've just photographed 9 bikes and it's bitterly cold out there, so I'm going to stay in now, do the stuff, prepare the photographs to go on the website, and try and thaw out a bit, and then tidy the workshop up. But that's me done for today. Don't forget there's no video Friday, Saturday, Sunday or Monday because I'm going away for the weekend, but there will be a video tomorrow and on Thursday. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and we will see you tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be a little bit warmer. Have a good evening.